Hey guys, I'm Kanika and welcome to my channel Lazy Fashion Hacks. Earlier जब भी मुझे किसी पॉटलक या किसी पार्टी में जाना होता था तो मेरी ड्रेस बहुत जल्दी सॉर्ट आउट हो जाती थी, बट एक चीज़ जो मुझे हमेशा लगती थी कि यार बालों का मैं क्या करूँ, व्हाट हेयर स्टाइल शुड आई मेक. Though I have got a good length and most of the times I used to leave my hair open like this, but still for a change I always wanted a few hairstyles जो कि बहुत कम टाइम लें और मेरे बाल अच्छे से settled भी रहें. So I figured out a few of those hairstyles and today I'm going to share with you. All of them are, very quick and you can say under 2 minutes. So without waiting any further, let's quickly get into the styling part.
Start by brushing your hair. Make a partition on any side you like. The best part of this hairstyle is that it can be made with any length of hair and works pretty awesome with any outfit, Indian or Western. Take a designer hairpin and secure the smallest side of hair with it. And your hairstyle is ready. Start by making a center or side partition as per your choice. Take a small section of hair and start twisting it and secure it with a bobby pin on the back side. This hairstyle is a very good choice when it comes to donning an Indian look, especially with saris. Take the second portion of hair and do the same. Twist it and secure it on the back side. Finally, take a designer pin and secure both the strands behind, and the look is complete. For the third hairstyle, I have left few strands of hair and made a bun, a simple bun out of the remaining hair. Secure this bun properly with jura pins. This hairstyle will look very good with saris. From one side, start twisting your hair. Take it behind your ears and keep twisting it, and then fold it around the bun and secure it with pins. Do the same with the other side of hair as well and secure that twist also around the bun, and the bun is ready.
I hope you guys liked all of these hairstyles. ये हेयर स्टाइल्स बनाना इतना आसान है और आप इनको और भी ज़्यादा ब्यूटिफाई कर सकते हैं बाय पुटिंग अ लॉट ऑफ हेयर एक्सेसरीज ऑन देम. मार्केट में बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल राइनस्टोन के पर्ल के क्लिप्स मिलते हैं जो कि आप साइड्स में या बन के ऊपर कहीं भी सेट कर सकते हैं. दे लुक वेरी वेरी गुड, वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. एक सिंपल से हेयर स्टाइल को दे क्विकली एम्प अप द लुक. So with this we come to an end of the video. Do let me know which of the hairstyles was your favorite और आप कौन सा hairstyle बनाना पसंद करेंगे. Like the video, give it a thumbs up, share it, comment on it, and there is a subscribe button on the screen. Press on that and subscribe to my channel. Also, you can follow me on Instagram. My handle is @lazyfashionhacks where you can get all the updates. Now I'll see you next week with a new video. Till then, take care of yourself, stay safe, stay healthy, love yourself and stay stylish. Bye bye.